Hi and welcome back. How did it go? Did you figure out which one it was? Did you figure out that it was the hue and saturation adjustment layer? Let's go ahead and open up our panels and we can get into our adjustments and I'll show you how to fix it, just in case you had any trouble. I'm assuming you got it right. Basically, what's wrong with this one is that it's just a little too rich in saturation. This one has a more natural color. This one's pretty red in her skin tone, basically. So what we would do is a hue and saturation adjustment layer, and all we would do is take the saturation and reduce it a little bit. You don't have to go a ton, but about like that, just to bring her back to a little bit more of a natural skin tone. And that's it. If we toggle that off, you can see there's the kind of oversaturation of some of these background colors and her skin here. And there it is, matched up. Were you able to figure that out? If not, that's totally understandable. That was a pretty tricky question. It was a simple answer, but you had to know exactly what to do in order to fix it. But now you know how to do it. It's just a simple hue and saturation adjustment. And again, we basically just went here and turned down the saturation. Okay? So that wraps things up for layers. Of course, we'll still work with these things because we're going to build on these skills. In the next section, we're going to go into selections so that if you want to just work on a specific part of your image, like say her face or her hat or the background, you can actually use the selection tools to select those pieces, and then you can do adjustment layers or all kinds of cool things with those selections. And that's what we're going to learn. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this section, and I'll see you in the next lecture.